how to deploy Elastic Block Storage on Utho Cloud. Step 1. Log in to Utho Cloud Dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the storage section. Once you're logged in, scroll down the dashboard until you find the storage section. Click on Elastic Block Storage under the storage section. Create Elastic Block Storage. Now click the Create Elastic Block Storage button to start the process of creating your new storage volume. Fill in the required details. Here you'll need to provide some important details. Select the DC location where you want the storage to be deployed, then choose your storage size based on your server's needs. Also, set the IOPS input-output operations per second for performance, define the throughput in EBS, and specify the data transfer speed per second. Name your Elastic Block Storage. Next, give your Elastic Block Storage a unique name. This will help you easily identify it later in your dashboard. Click Create. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click the Create button to initiate the deployment of your Elastic Block Storage. Wait for deployment. Now wait a few minutes while the Elastic Block Storage is being deployed. The time may vary, but it should only take a few moments. Review and attach. Once your EBS is deployed, you can review the details in the dashboard. When everything looks good, click on the Attach button to link the EBS to your server. Congratulations! You've successfully deployed Elastic Block Storage on Utho Cloud and attached it to your server. End screen. For more tutorials and updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.